Want to know how to upload and edit publications and AV materials on the enhanced SERP-P Content Management System? Follow the instructions on this video. To access the SERP-P Content Management System, visit serp-p.pids.gov.ph and click the Partner Login tab, and enter your unique username and password and click Login. Once inside, check the SERP-P main menu on the left side of the landing page and click Publications. If you would like to add a new publication, click the Add New button and fill out all applicable fields such as the publication title, publication code, source URL, abstract, authors, keywords, year published, ISBN or ISSN, publication type, themes, and number of pages. When complete, click Save. Once submitted, the SERP-P team will check the information provided and will approve the publication. Cases when we could not approve your entries are the following: too long abstracts. We encourage you to upload abstracts with a maximum of 300 words. Abstracts with numbered or bulleted lists, missing source URLs, missing authors, and missing keywords. What will happen if the admin has disapproved your publications? No need to worry. You can still edit and resubmit them. Click the Publications button, select the For Approval, and click the Disapprove tab. To edit, select the publication you want to edit, click the Action button, and select Update. Now, you can edit your disapproved publications. To resubmit your edited publications, visit the Disapprove tab, click Actions, and click Resubmit. To edit your previous publications, click the button beside the Approved Publications button. This will show all the publications that your institution has uploaded. Select the publication you would like to edit. Click the Action button and select Update. Simple, right? But wait, there's more. With the newest feature of SERP-P, partner institutions can now upload audio-visual materials such as AVPs, webinars, podcasts, video highlights, and other audio or visual files. To upload audio-visual materials, click the AV Materials button on the Members menu and click Add New, and fill out all applicable fields such as the audio-visual title, audio-visual code, description, source URL, keywords, year released, and themes. If you have any problems and concerns, email us at serp-p@pids.gov.ph. It would be our pleasure to assist you. Take this chance and make your knowledge materials and resources more accessible to the public. Help us promote, strengthen, and sustain our knowledge network by uploading relevant materials from your organization. Socioeconomic Research Portal for the Philippines, innovating knowledge exchange in policy research.